how to recover your Facebook password or reset your Facebook password. If you keep forgetting your password and don't know where to find it, I'm going to show you a few ways how you can recover it. Alright, so first open your phone settings and scroll all the way down to your Google services. From here you can go to all services and go to autofill and tap on autofill with Google. And from here you can find the Google Password Manager. I'm not gonna tap it right now because all of my passwords will be shown. So you can find your password there. If you don't find it there, you can go to your Google account, manage Google account, go to security, scroll all the way down and tap on Password Manager. Here you'll see all of your saved password, and to see your Facebook's password, just tap on Facebook, and if you tap on this eye icon, your Facebook password will be revealed. But if you can't do that, what you can do is go to your Chrome browser, open your Chrome, tap on the three dots, and from here you can go to settings, and from settings you can find your password manager here. So you can do that as well. And to finally reset it from Facebook, just tap on Facebook and go to your profile. From here, open settings, go to account center, tap on password and security, tap on change password, choose your Facebook account, and from here tap your current password. So if you don't have this, what you can do is tap on forgotten your password, and it will show you a different option from where you can recover. You can send a password reset code to your email, or your if you have your Facebook logged into another account, you can send it to Facebook notification, or if you have your mobile number, you can get an OTP. So that's how you can recover your Facebook password. I hope you found the video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.